Choose the right wax ring for your toilet by matching flange height, subfloor thickness, and flooring profile to ensure a reliable seal. Start by measuring from the finished floor up to the top of the toilet flange. If the flange sits flush with or slightly above the finished floor, a standard wax ring will usually seal correctly. For flanges set below the finished floor by more than 1/4 inch, use a jumbo or thick wax ring that compensates for the gap without crushing under torque when the toilet is tightened. If the finished floor is uneven, such as irregular tile or a tapered substrate, choose a reinforced wax ring with a plastic or metal flange to bridge surface imperfections and keep wax from extruding under load. When you have a very high subfloor assembly, for example plywood plus underlayment and thicker tile, stacking 2 wax rings is an acceptable technique, but only use 2 identical rings and compress them straight down while centering the toilet to avoid off-axis compression. Always dry fit the bowl once to confirm alignment, then remove the bowl before final wax placement so you can see the flange faces and clean them. Wax will not adhere to debris, old wax, or standing water. Use care when lowering the toilet so the ring compresses evenly, and avoid rocking the bowl after bolting because that breaks the wax seal. Common mistakes include using a standard thin wax ring over a recessed flange, which leads to leaks because the wax cannot reach the pipe connection. Fix this by switching to a jumbo wax ring size to fill the vertical gap. Another frequent error is trusting wax alone on uneven tile, which causes partial seals and odors. Remedy that by selecting a reinforced wax ring with a built-in plastic horn that bridges tile variations. Many people over-tighten toilet bolts after the wax has been crushed, which cracks the porcelain or deforms the flange and creates leaks. Tighten bolts alternately and gently until the bowl is snug, then stop. And if movement persists, replace the ring and reseat the bowl rather than forcing a tighter clamp. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors for jobs like toilet installation and to help contractors connect with prospective clients. On our site, we also host a discussion community where members share tips, ask questions, and post real-world experiences about sealing toilets and other home projects.